Hi, I'm Jeanette Soltys. I'm the managing attorney at Atlanta Divorce Law Group, and I wanted to thank you so much for trusting us with your case. I've been through this myself, so I know how much faith you are putting in us when it comes to your family. So I look forward to working with you and helping you build a better life for your family. I wanted to give you a few tips to help you have success in your case, and it's tips on how to work with your attorney and your team. The first is regarding communication. One, this is actually a way to minimize your attorney's fees. If you are able to amicably discuss the case with your ex or soon-to-be ex and come to some agreements on what you can narrow down, if you're able to do that, that will save you a lot of money in attorney's fees. There are some people who can't do this, and so I don't encourage you to do this if you already know that you're not able to have productive conversations with the other party. Or if there's been domestic violence, then let's have all communication go through your attorneys. The other tip that I have for you is regarding communication with our office. What I see often is that clients will often call or email as soon as a question comes to mind. And this ends up happening frequently, which drives up attorney's fees. So one important tip that I have for you is if it's a non-urgent question, jot it down. And then once you have a number of questions for your attorney or your paralegal, then schedule an in-person meeting or a phone call so you can go over all of those at once, and that will end up minimizing your fees. We have a 24-hour policy within our office for returning client communications. So if you email us or you call us, someone from our firm will get back to you within 24 hours. So know that you're in good hands and you will receive a timely response. Something that you need to know is how to get a hold of us in an emergency and what's considered an emergency. We do have someone who answers our phones even on evenings and weekends. If you have an emergency, please look at your welcome packet to see if it is considered one of our defined emergencies. Now, what a defined emergency means is the person who answers the phone out of office hours, or even our paralegal who was off answering the phone during office hours, will get to the attorney right away, and we will get back to you as soon as humanly possible. This is the type of emergency where if your attorney's in the courtroom, a note's going to be passed to them. It's that important. Some examples might be if you are just a victim of domestic violence, or if the other party absconded with your child. Now, of course, in these situations, first call 911 because they're going to be able to help you immediately. But after you call 911, these are situations where we will drop everything and make sure someone gets back to you. Something that we really want all clients to do is let us know any issues that you have even outside of your legal needs. So if you need a therapist or a realtor or a financial advisor, or have anything going on in your life that is outside of the legal case, please let your paralegal or your attorney know. And the reason that I say this is because it really does take a village to help someone get through this process and build a stronger life for themselves. So we have a list of what we call concierge partners. And these are other professionals who have been vetted, and we trust them to work with our clients. So if we find out that you have a need that's not a legal need that we can meet, we will get someone else involved and connect you with them so they can help you with whatever issues that you're having. As far as attorney's fees, just a couple more things I want to point out. You will be receiving an invoice every 2 weeks from our firm, and that is so you can stay on top of budgeting for your attorney's fees. Another important point is some clients want to be more aggressive and proactive in their case, even if it means spending more on fees. Other clients, one of their big goals is minimizing attorney's fees, even if that means less communication. In your strategy session that you will have with your attorney, please let them know what kind of client you are as far as wanting to be proactive and you're okay spending those fees, or wanting to come up with a strategy that minimizes what you spend. So please let us know that. Also, if you ever have any questions about your invoices, please contact our billing clerk, and their information is in your welcome packet. If you ever have any concerns or big questions about the legal strategy of your case, then please contact me directly, and I'm happy to speak with you. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you.